Primary Brain Repair, the first response for optimal health with Dr. Suka Chapel-Horst. It's estimated that 70 to 100% of one's symptoms can be relieved with primary brain repair. How can we make that statement? Because primary brain repair is the foundation for both healing and maintaining optimal health. Ignoring primary brain repair is like building a house without a solid foundation. Eventually, it will start to fall apart. Instead of treating disorders or labels, we look to the root cause of symptoms and restore the brain and body to wellness naturally. Too much emphasis is placed on medications to relieve the symptoms of illness and disease. Most medications, if used, should be for immediate relief and of short duration, just long enough to stabilize a condition so that we can return to natural healing for permanent relief. 4 principles of primary brain repair are neuronutrients, or brain foods. These include the amino acids, vitamins, minerals, essential fatty acids, trace minerals, and enzymes that are the building blocks our brain and body needs to maintain wellness. And of course, healthy nutrition and exercise, which can be as simple as taking a brisk walk for just 30 minutes a day. And stress relief. Stress sickens, ages, and kills. According to the Center for Disease Control and Dr. Bruce Lipton, cellular biologist, stress is responsible for 80 to 95% of all illness, disease, premature aging, and mental misery. Stress relief requires reducing stress levels, removing the energy blocks from the body, and belief management. This means reevaluating our beliefs to find and let go of those beliefs that are holding us back or inviting illness, and eliminating destructive cellular memories. We can help you to achieve optimal health naturally through self-help books, CDs, DVDs, and live presentations, workshops, and individual consultations with Dr. Suka Chapel-Horst. Please give us a call so we can help you to achieve optimal health and wellness. 417-380-3254 or 417-894-8501. BrainWorks Recovery is a nonprofit organization whose sole mission is wellness education.